Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will add the enter button so that if the player joined, then after that they will not move to the color section, because the last character will not see this screen. So we want to show this screen to the last player as well. So for that purpose, what we can do, we can actually make some changes, and we can add a enter button. So I will just duplicate this main menu button which is here, and I will just go here and let's duplicate it, Control D, and let's move it somewhere here. Okay, and now we can actually change the name, enter button, and also we'll just go to the main menu, text, enter text, and here we will add the enter like this. Okay, so now we have a nice enter button, and okay, so now we will open the script, and for this we will just open the player check script, and here we will create some variables. So we already have the current text, current player, and max players. So after that we will add another text, and that will be the public game object, and we name it hint1, hint2. So we have created two game objects, and then also we will create another public game object, and this is the enter button. Okay, so now in the update function, what we want is that after the photon current is open, current room is open, we will make hint1 dot set active false, and then we will do same for the hint2. We will make these buttons false, and then we will get the current players, and we'll make this current player dot text is equal to empty. So if you will place two inverted commas, it will show us the empty object. Okay, and now what we can do is that we want to play this line of code only when this button enter button is active. Okay, it's not active, then only we will play this. So what we can do here is we can create a if statement, and we will say that if enter button dot active in hierarchy is not equal to true. So if it is not true, then only we will show this line of code. So I will just cut this and paste it here. Okay, and then definitely for this is the if statement, and we need a else statement as well. And for the else statement, we'll say that if it is the current player dot text, we will make this text to black, and actually we can delete it from here. Okay, so yeah, that's great. And this dot game object, sorry, we have to yeah, and this dot game object, we will just get it and we will create another function over here. So we'll say that public void enter the arena, and we will add this button over here. So now we will add this start game object that's set active in this function, and we will add this function to the button. So let's save it and let's move back, and we will select this waiting BG because this have the code. So lock it, and hint 1, I will just add this waiting for players text, which is this one, I think. Sorry, I will just check it out first. So this is this one. So this will go here, hint 1. Hint 2, I will add this joining text, and enter button is the enter button. Okay, and now we will just check it out, save everything, let's play. Okay, where will highest, okay, there should be one. So okay, joined is there. So what is the problem? Go waiting BG join text is this text. Yeah, that's fine, and this is the joining. So we have added this joining text to current players, and I think this is fine. Why we have the issue? Save, let's see. Okay, so the problem was that we should add the function on the enter button first of all. So you will select the enter button, and then on click function we will drag drop this waiting BG, and then we will select the player check and enter the arena. And also after that we should disable the button initially. So it is very important. If you will not disable it, then you will get that problem. So now if we check, hopefully everything should be fine. So I will build the game and test it as well, so that it should work. Hopefully in this area you can see that it's working fine. Now the button is not available, so I will build and let's test it out. Okay, so now we have opened two instances, and let's enter with the name, and now you can see one of two joined, and now the other player will join. And now you can see that we have the enter button, and if we enter, we can enter the game, hopefully. Okay, this is the default player. Okay, if we enter here, yeah, that is the same player actually that was visible there initially. Okay, and now you can see that the color is changed, and because both players were in the room, so initially we can see that player, but when we entered with the color, then that player's colors changed. Okay, so that can be happen sometimes. And one more thing, you can see that here we have the animations, but here also we have the animations, but for the other player we can't see the animations for some reason. Yeah, that is a big problem. Although we have added the animator component to Photon view. Anyhow, we will fix that. So that's it for this video. We'll move further. Goodbye.